Hello my dear friends, how are you? Let's start the today's class about the third exercise of chapter 4, that is which one? It is linear equation in two variable, and in this exercise I will go for only question number 1 my dear friends. Please understood it very carefully because it will be very helpful for your previous classes. Okay, sorry, the next classes. Okay, I am extremely sorry for this one. So let's start the classes, but before the classes I will tell you, please remember the funda of the exercise. Let's start the class. Ready? Okay. Today's class is about that how to solve a linear equation two variable, and by which method? Yes, in a graphical method it is, by using a graph. Okay, but what is a graph paper? Okay, graph paper having a combination of a vertical and a horizontal lines. Okay, and these horizontal lines are called as x-axis. It is called as x-axis, and the vertical lines are called as y-axis. This is the simple idea regarding the graph, my dear friends. Now, how to find out the equation in two variables in a graphical manner by using a graph paper? It is a very important for you. So let's discuss it. Okay, so I draw the two axes. This is x-axis and y-axis. But remember, my dear friends, the right hand side of the axis is in the positive integer. They are all positive. And in the left hand side of the x-axis are negative integers. Same thing with the top of the y-axis, it is called as what? Positive integers, and the below one is the negative integers. So let's start with the first question of the exercise 4.3 standard 9th class. Okay, my dear friends, ready for it? Okay. The first question is asking about, so the equation x plus y is equal to 4 in a graph. Okay, so how should I will do this one, my dear friends? Let take x is equal to 0. If the value of x is equal to 0, then what is the value of y? So keep the value of x in this equation. 0 plus 4, y is equal to 4. The value of y is equal to 4 when x is equal to 0. Again, if I take let x is equal to 1, then what is the value of y? Keep the value of x in this equation and we will find out what? 1 plus y is equal to 4. Let me erase this one, my dear friends. Okay, then y is equal to how much, my dear friends? Y is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now, here two values are we have got. What is that? When x is equal to 0, y becomes 4, and when x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 3. Suppose some of the cases it is also saying that if I take y is equal to 0, then what is the value of x? See, if y is equal to 0, then what is the value of x? If I keep this one, x plus 0 is equal to 4. Means you can take this one also, you can take this one also. Let's take this one. Okay, which one? The below one. Okay, now x becomes 4 when y becomes 0. These two statements we will be take it and represent this value of x and y in the graph manner. Now, my dear friends, just have a look. Both the value of x and y are in positive form, so it will coming in here only. Okay, in this pattern. Okay, let's do it by your do it and check it whether it is coming in a straight line or not. Okay, now value of x is equal to 0, then what is the value of y? Y becomes 4. Here it is the y. The value of x and y is how much? 0 and 4. Now, when x is equal to 4, y becomes 0. Now, this is the portion where x is equal to what? X is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. Now with the help of scale, I have to be joining these 2 points and I have to draw a straight line. And I will say that the value of x plus y is equal to 4 is represented in the graphical manner by using the graph paper. How it is easy, my dear friends? Okay, so let's try the second bit of the first number. Okay, let me erase this one so that you can understand it. Okay, again. Okay, now this one is almost all over. Okay, the values will be erased. Okay, my dear friends, always try to take the value of x is 0, means the smallest amount you just take it, smallest value you should take it, so that you will getting the answer in a very easiest manner. Okay, now the second question is asking that second bit of the first question is saying that x minus y is equal to 2. Same thing, take it what? Let x is equal to 0. Then what is the value of y if I keep the value of x in this equation? Okay, so what is that? 0 minus y is equal to 2, or y is equal to, this will go into that side, become minus 2. So I can write here, if when x is equal to 0, then y becomes minus 2. Okay, now if I take let y is equal to 0, then what is the value of x? I will keep this one in this equation again. What is that? X minus 0 is equal to 2, x is equal to 2. Understood? How it is easy, my dear friends. Okay, so what is the next value of x and y? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. Now I have to be show these two values in the where? In the graph. Okay, let's see. So when x is equal to 0, first one, x is equal to 0, y becomes minus 2. Here is the answer. Where the minus 2 is there? In the downside. Okay, so here the values is what? 0 and minus 2. Here, this one. And when x is equal to 2, when x is equal to plus 2, y becomes 0 here. Okay, so this is the point here. So now join it. Now here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. The value is here. So now join it. How it will be? You have to connect it with the scale and make a straight line. Okay, like this manner you have to solve it. Now this is called as what? It is saying that the linear equation in two variable must be showing in the graph manner. So my dear friends, this is the process of how to show the equation in two variables in a graphical manner. Now my dear friends, I have two options. I have did it only 2 bits, first and second, and the another two option, you just do it by yourself and write in my comment section if you have any doubts. Okay, if you have no doubts, then say thank you. Okay, so my dear friends, if you like my channel, then please subscribe my channel, write the comments, share it so that you will getting the new videos from my sites. My dear friends, in the next video, we will be discussing about the second number of chapter 4, exercise 4.3. Okay, so take care, have a nice day, bye.